Hello students, welcome back to our GK class. In last video, we have learned about animals. Now today, we are going to learn about plants, trees, shrubs, etc. So, let us start with lesson number 4, Green Earth. Children, how plants are important in our life. Without trees, we cannot survive, because trees gives us oxygen, and without oxygen we human beings, animals, birds cannot live alive. There are different types of trees in this world. Trees also provide us with the materials for tools and shelter. Trees are important because they give us fresh air to breathe, food to eat, and shade or shelter from sunlight and rainfall. Trees gives us fruits, flowers, vegetables to eat. Plants also gives us cotton from which we make clothes. Now, they also help us in reflecting the harmful sun rays and maintaining a balanced temperature on the earth. Besides, they help in water conservation and preventing soil erosion. Now, let us learn about plants. There are five types of plants. They are herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers, and creepers. Let us first start with herbs. Herbs are generally refer to leafy green or. However, plants also contains some medicinal plants. Some examples of herbs are coriander, mint, basil, parsley, etc. The next is shrub. Shrub is a woody plant which is smaller than a tree and has several main stems arising at or near the ground. For example, common hibiscus, red raspberry, rose, jasmine, etc. Third is trees. Trees are big in size and height. It is trunk and branches made up of wood. Trees live for many years. Main parts are roots, trunks, branches, and the leaves. For example, mango tree, banyan tree, jamun, teak, and many more. Next is climbers. Climbers are weak stem plants that derive support from climbing up trees and other tall objects. For example, money plant, pea plants, etc. The last type of plant is creepers. Creepers are plants with weak stem that grow along the ground around another plants. Creepers examples are watermelon, pumpkin, etc. Plants need water, sunlight, nutrients, air to grow. With the help of water, sunlight, our and proper nutrients, seeds grow into full grown flowers giving or fruit bearing plants. Trees are useful to human beings and animals. The main part of the plant is roots, which hold the plants very tightly. There are two types of roots, tap roots and fibrous roots. It is the main root of a primary root system. Growing vertically downwards is known as taproot. For example, carrots and beets. Typical a taproot is somewhat straight and very thick. Fibrous roots It is the opposite of taproot system. It is usually formed by the thin, moderately branching root growing from the stem. Example rice, wheat, millet, etc. Both the roots are different from each other. The taproot system has one main long root. Smaller roots grow from the sides of the main root, whereas the fibrous root system has many slenders, fine branching roots. Plants with a taproot system are usually deeply rooted, while fibrous roots are much shorter. Now, students, there are different types of trees in different regions. Let us see four types of different region plants. First, we will see desert plants. The plants which are suited to the environment of little rainfall than often stores water in its tissues or hollow center and reduces transpiratory by total or seasonal leaflessness or by a densely hairy waxy skin. A desert is a barren area of landscape. Example of desert plants are pancake prickly cactus, Bristol burst, etc. The next different region plant is mountainous plants. Evergreen trees such as cedar, pines are commonly to mountain regions. These trees like the cold climate, which is why Christmas tree farms are located in mountain regions. In short, the trees which grows on mountains. The third type is underwater plants. Underwater plants are called aquatic plants. They grow under the seas, rivers. They grow completely under the surface of the rivers or seas. For example, algae. The fourth type is plants in swamps. Swamps are wet lands consisting of saturated soils or standing water and are dominated by water tolerant. For example, papyrus, alders, etc. So, students, on this planet Earth, trees, plants are important for our survival, for maintaining clean air, climate change, etc. We should save trees. We should not cut the plants unnecessarily. We should grow more and more plants. Trees are very important part of our life. It gives us oxygen, food, etc. Without trees, life cannot be expected on earth. No trees means no life on earth. Trees are very important for our life and earth to keep earth green and happy. Thank you.